In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to move a feature from one side of a part to the other. Now you can see I have this red cut extrude here in the center of the part, and I want to move that to the other side of the part. So you can see over here I've got a green face and I want to move it to there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and click on cut extrude number 1, and directly below that is sketch 2. Click on that and choose edit sketch plane. Now the other way we could have done this is just delete the feature altogether, create a new sketch on the other side of the part, but why do all that work? All I need to do is choose a different face, this one over here, which is green, click on OK, and now that feature has been moved to this side of the part. The only problem is it's going in the wrong direction. Notice over here we have an error, it shows up as red, so click on that and click on Edit Feature. You can see I've got that cut extrude still going in the same direction it was before. Plane. I'm going to again choose the face here green, click on OK, and just that easily I was able to move those holes to the other side of the part. Because it's defined in the hole wizard, it automatically makes that go automatically through the part. So this is a really quick way to reuse your sketch geometry without having to delete features. You can just take them and move them to other faces inside of your part or assembly.